So today I have received this Acer 310 motherboard. Its model number is 310HCH5-M23HV version 1.0. Okay, so first when I received this motherboard, it was in no display condition. The fan was moving continuously, but I was not getting any kind of display. So when I checked, we were not getting vCore, so I checked its enable signal on pin number 27. So enable signal was also not available. So I tried to check all the voltages. Here I was getting 1 volt. Then afterwards, here on the input I was getting 1.3 volt, and output of this MOSFET over here I was not getting any kind of voltage. On this MOSFET I was getting input 1 volt and output 1 volt, but core was not generated because enable was missing. But sometimes whenever I tried to power on, at that time I was getting display, and I was getting 3.4 volt on this gate of this MOSFET, and on this source terminal I was getting 1 point something voltage. So it means that our the signal which is available on gate was sometimes coming and sometimes not. Then I used my DC supply and injected 3.4 voltage on this gate terminal and checked for display, and we were getting display. So what I did, simply just made a jumper wire from this LDO, which is which converts 5 volt to 3.3. So I made a jumper wire from that point to gate of this MOSFET, and let's check whether our jumper is working or not. So I have turned on this motherboard and keyboard is connected with my okay. Okay, still I don't have any kind of display. Motherboard has been stopped for and restarted once again. Okay, and still no display. Okay, as you can see, I have display right now. Okay, on screen, let's see whether we are having display or not. Okay, on screen also we are having our display. And let me check for BIOS. Okay, BIOS is also opening, and let me try to restart. Okay, restarted. As you can see, we have restarted the motherboard, and I think okay, we have again our display is available. And let's check for is there anything hitting over here. No hitting. This LDO is also fine, means we have repaired our motherboard. So this is actually 310 PCH architecture motherboard, in which this output of this MOSFET we were not having any voltage. So just I bypassed it with the help of a jumper, which is providing 3.3 volt on the gate terminal of this MOSFET, and because of that our the missing voltage is generated, and after generating that voltage, our motherboard is also generating vCore, because that voltage is given to our VRM IC as an enable signal. After that our VRM core voltage is generated. Okay, it has started, and I think now display will come. Okay, as you can see, we have display. It's taking little bit time because we have to clear ME region in BIOS. So right now I am going to give this directly to customer because it's working fine. Thank you.